Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to a special celebration to our channel. Today, we embark on a visual journey to commemorate Indian Independence Day, a day that echoes with the triumph, cries of freedom, the colors of unity, and the melodies of diversity. Our journey begins with a homage to the Titans who walked this path before us. On August 15, 1947, India evoked to a new era, shaking off the chains of colonialism. These images paid tribute to the courage, sacrifice, and determination that paved their way to an independent nation. Fast forward to today, and Independence Day splashes the canvas of India with an explosion of colors and celebrations. Immerse yourself in the kaleidoscope of parades, cultural performances, and breathtaking sight of the tricolor flag unfolding against the azure sky. In the midst of festivities, let us bow to those who stand as sentinels of our freedom. These images stand as a tribute to the brave soldiers and armed forces who ensure that the flame of independence burns bright and unweaving. Independence Day resonates with the harmonious symphony of India's diverse cultures and traditions. These images portray the rich tapestry of unity in diversity, as people from every corner of the country come together to celebrate as one. As we come to this visual tribute, let's set our sights on the horizon of progress. These images inspired us to reflect on India's journey and innovation, the path ahead. A path paired with innovation, education, and the unshakable belief in a brighter future tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this captivating visual journey of Indian Independence Day. May these images deepen your connection to the history, unity, and diversity that shape our nation's identity. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video as we honor the remarkable legacy of our land. Until we meet again, stay proud, stay united, and Jai Hind.